So I ended up going to a few different grocery stores, but the biggest part was from Aldi, which is like kind of right here, and then Mariano's. Mariano's has some really good sales. I usually don't do a lot of Mariano's. I get a lot of questions if I coupon. I do not coupon, but I do shop the sales ads. So that means me kind of traveling around the city and kind of shopping around. I needed to desperately restock my like my pantry for the kids, like for snacks and stuff. So before anybody comes for me, there's lots of fruits and veggies, but there is, you know, like processed food, because that's what we do. We live real life around here, and sometimes we eat on the go, and I have kids and this is what they eat. Most of the two little ones. Rhea kind of does her own thing. So anyways, let me show you what I picked up. I got 4 bags of this garden salad. Me and Rhea both really love to have just salads throughout the week, like for lunch or whatever. So I got 4 bags of those. I did get a handful. I got 3 different avocados. We are going to try to do a like a Mexican shrimp cocktail, so those are going to go on the top. I got these. I don't eat these often. Maybe, you know, if I'm just like short on time. But these are the original pork sausages. These are 1 carb each, and they are really high in fat. I think they're 20 or 19 grams. So really keto friendly. The girls love them for easy breakfast. I got 5 little packages of tuna. Tuna's really, really great for keto because you could just fatten it up with the mayo and you can get your protein in. And I like to put like jalapenos in there and stuff. I got 2 of the pork sausage. Again, super keto friendly. A constant repurchase for myself. I got 2 bags of riced cauliflower. I've never purchased it from here, but I seen it and I grabbed it. A thing of sweet peas for Benny's food. I got some of these uncured beef hot dogs. These are only 1 carb, so I'm going to try them out, see how they go. I got some of these, there's Becky's doll. Some of these peanut butter crackers for their lunch. Some mushrooms, these are the Baby Bella mushrooms. I got a thing of Kalamata olives for my salad. They are less than 1 carb per serving. A thing of ranch dressing for just salads or whatever. I got a couple of these diced tomatoes with green chilies. I just like to keep those in my pantry. Some ravioli and spaghetti for the kids. Tomato sauce for the shrimp cocktail. A thing of eggs, a thing of low carb bread. And we got some grapes for the girls. And they wanted waffles, so I picked those up. And then the ramen noodles, again, not the best, but they enjoy them. And some cheese crackers. I got a brick of pepper jack. You have to watch the carbs and all this stuff. This is less than 1 carb. Always check them. Each brick is different. Some ranch packets for keto, for Mississippi pot roast. And I got also a case of water. Mariano's, I picked up these carb counter low carb tortillas. These are 5 carbs each. They're only like $2.50. I love these. I got a couple press bars. They're 5 carbs each. Sometimes if I'm just in like a long fast after the gym, I like to throw these in my bag. This is the chocolate peanut butter and the chocolate brownie. I had the maple one in the car. I didn't really like it, honestly. And then I got a couple things of yogurt for the kids. These were on sale for $1, this 4-pack. So I got vanilla, and then I got 2 of the strawberry cheesecake. I got a pound of the Crocus ham. I got the girls some Carrot Care oranges. I got some liters of pop. These are the Coke Zero, which is my absolute favorite. Then I got a Diet Sun Drop and then Diet Sierra Mist, but the Coke Zero's for Mama. Thing of paper towels. And then I got this on sale. This is a boneless chuck roast. We got a thing of ground beef, and then I got some chicken breast for Benny. Also, I got Rhea her, this is like the Special K strawberry cereal, but it's the Aldi brand. I got a thing of 2 things of asparagus. These sweet potatoes are for Benny. I got a thing of yellow and green zucchini. We picked up this Walden's Farms ketchup. I've never tried it, but we're going to do, like I said, the Mexican like shrimp cocktail, and it calls for some ketchup, so I picked that up. That's 0 carbs. The pasta was on sale. This is like kind of a quick thing to have, and I make it for my kids, so we picked that up as well. So here is our kind of giant haul here. We got some meats, we got some sides, stuff for the kids. Grand total was about 120 bucks. So I didn't think that was too bad, considering I am going to stock up the freezer a little bit. So there you go, keto and kid friendly.